Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Gadgets with Alan. I've been working on a few DIY projects in my room to optimize my workspace and also better utilize the limited areas I have in the room. One of those areas is this patch of wall behind me, which I have been leaving it empty for many years. And recently I have just ordered this gamer theme pegboard from Ikea, along with some pegboard accessories also from Ikea to put on some shelves and hooks. Okay, I'm done marking all the drill holes and I've covered my monitors. I'm going to use this 18-volt hammer action battery power handheld 18-volt drill with a measuring bit. This is said to be powerful enough to go through a concrete wall with this measuring drill bit, but then again, I've never tried before. So let's see how it goes. I have dedicated half of the pegboard as my charging station. I have 4 chargers right here for my different camera batteries, mainly the Sony, Nikon and Canon batteries. I've also hung up my gimbal and DJI controller over here, so it serves as a charging station by running the cable from a USB charger and also a place to store it. And on the left, I have used it to hang some of the regular things I found on my table to have it in a more easy to reach position and some of the tools to set up easily for me to access. This configuration is only the very first idea I have that comes to my mind. It could evolve, it could change depending on what I want to display and hang or store on this shelving. All the accessories, shelving, hooks you see here are all from Ikea under the same grey dark gamer theme. Instead of a dull looking board, I've pimped it up with some LED running along the edge, and it goes well with my gaming keyboard, speaker and mic. All in all, it came together quite well, giving off the kind of gamer vibe. So this is a simple video I have for you today about this pegboard DIY project. I also have other 2 projects coming right up. One of them is a studio setup that I have in front of me. For a long time I've been using tripod for my camera and light stand for my studio light, and it's taking up a lot of space, especially where you have to spread out the tripod legs. To get rid of this issue, I have tried to source for a sort of like a mounting pole, ceiling to floor, that I can mount everything on that pole. And the other DIY project is actually my PC. For a long time I've been using open case PC because I stored my PC in my cupboard. The reason for this third version of open casing because I have the intention to upgrade my graphic card. Second version of open casing couldn't accommodate, so for that future expansion, which hopefully would be within this year. So if you're interested in this kind of DIY projects, do click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button to look out for them. And if you have enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and share it. And I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!